open up all of your gifts.
I got deodorant.
Cause your armpits stank.
That's right. You got what? Switch to. Let me see. Girl, you got water bottles on top of water bottles on top of water. Let's say, Mom.
Gift card from McDonald's.
How much on this?
Mommy's gonna take all of
them.
You like those?
I think this is iPad.
A brand new iPad. This will be perfect for me for school, but I guess it's good for you. Ooh! She got me an old wallet. This. Mommy, you got me beats.
It's on me. Woo! I got another gift card. That's from the kids.
It's the R.
Is it R for Ross? That's right.
Your favorite store.
Oh, thank you, Jesus. Somebody finally got me a Tato gift card. I go by
Yeah. Well, y'all, that's a wrap for 2025 Christmas unwrapping. Hey y'all, it's your girl Tamia here, and I am finally back with a brand new video for you guys today. Y'all already know what time it is. Today's video is going to be my annual What I Got for Christmas haul for the year 2025. This video I have been doing for literally 11 years straight. Your girl has been gone, booked, and busy in the beautiful place of Puerto Rico, and I am finally back in Texas for the holidays. I've been spending some time with my family over the last week or so. I'm going to be here for the next 2 weeks until like January 9th, and I'll be going back to the island to start my second semester of optometry school. Every single year I love to make my little What I Got for Christmas haul, and I know there are so many people out there who despise of these videos. I always love this video. Although I have not been active here making actual YouTube videos, I have been active in some of my YouTube shorts and also on my TikTok page, so make sure y'all go over there and follow me on TikTok. Anyways, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel, which is linked in it down bar below. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video, and yeah, let's get into it. So the first gift I got is just a James Avery charm for my charm bracelet. So they come in these little cute little boxes, and the charm my mom got me this year is just this really cute passport charm, and it just says passport, and it has like the USA on it, and I am going to go get it put on my bracelet before I leave to go back to the island. So next, my mom got me the Daisy Marc Jacobs perfume. This is the one that's in the black box. I actually have the baby blue one back at my apartment in Puerto Rico, so I'm happy to have another one to add to my collection. This one smells really good. I love the scent. I just really love the way the bottle looks. It has like the little flowers on the top. It does smell very different from the one that I have at home, so I'm glad to have some variety in my collection now. Next, I got this little Gillette Venus razor and shaving cream set. I absolutely love getting these types of sets for Christmas because you can never go wrong with razors and shaving cream, body wash, body scrubs, things like that. Comes with 4 razors and the little Satin Care Ultra Sensitive shaving cream. Next, my sister got me this Mary Berry set by Dove. So in this set, it comes with a body wash and a cute little body scrub. For this scent, like I said, it's called the Mary Berry, but this is basically pomegranate and hibiscus. And then here is the body scrub. Could have sworn last year, because I think I got a set like this last year, they used to have the bigger containers. I don't know why they made the container smaller this year. Maybe they'll save money with the company or something like that. But yeah, it smells really good, y'all. I absolutely love the scent, so I can't wait to use this one. I also got another one of the Dove sets. This one is in the scent Winter Glow. Just like the last set, this comes with the body wash and the body scrub. This one is just in the oh, hold on, I thought this was body wash. This is actually lotion. It says 24-hour lotion, soft skin. Oh no. This is body wash. It says body wash at the bottom. Basically, this is unscented. And then also this one comes with the body scrub as well. And let me just open this and like try to smell it. Okay, so this one, instead of being like that one and not having a scent, this is actually crushed macadamia and rice milk. So So y'all, next we're just gonna get into my stocking. So first things first, I did get 2 gift cards and I'm very excited about them. The first one, I got a Ulta gift card. This one has $25 on it, and then I also got a Amazon gift card with $25 as well. I absolutely love Ulta. It's my favorite place ever. And then I wanted an Amazon gift card just because I constantly find myself having to order things, especially while I'm at school. I also got some Christmas socks because what would be a stocking without the Christmas socks? Next, my mom got me this really cute little keychain, and on it says, "To my daughter, never forget I love you forever." And this is just what it looks like. It's so cute. And then I also got 2 little pocket bags from Bath and Body Works. So the first one is the strawberry snowflakes, and this one just smells like, it kind of smells similar to strawberry pound cake by Bath and Body Works, so I really love that scent. And then I just got the infamous Japanese cherry blossom. I think I actually have a couple of these in my purse already. And then the last thing I put in my stocking, this is actually the gift that my nephew got me. He got me this really cute little ring here. So this next gift I am very, very, very excited for. My sister got me a Owala water bottle. If y'all don't know, I am definitely a water bottle girly. I have like 3 Stanley cups. I have several Hydro Flask cups. I literally have my Hydro Flask here with my coffee in it right now. I really wanted the Owala specifically for the gym, just because I feel like my Stanley cup is so big and bulky, and if I fill it up with water, like, it's very heavy. This is just the Owala in the color pink. The main color is pink on the bottle, and it has like this coral color and a light purple and a darker purple. I really love this cup because you can like hold it like this. It has this little push top that you like push the button and you pull it up and it looks like that. And then in the inside it does come with a straw and everything. Next, my sister also got me this cute little bag. So I don't know if y'all watched my video a few months ago when I was packing up to move to Puerto Rico. I actually have a bag very similar to this one. It's just in the color purple and it's a little bit bigger. Anyways, my sister got me this one in the color hot pink and I absolutely love this thing. It's so cute. It is a little smaller than the one I have. Next, my mom got me this cute little holiday sweets Bath and Body Works set. She usually gets us one of these for Christmas every year and I absolutely love them. It comes with a mini body spray, a mini body lotion, and also another pocket bag. This one is in the winter candy apple scent. So y'all, this next gift I was very, very, very excited about because I did specifically ask for this gift for Christmas. These are just the Beats Solos 4s. I really wanted some noise canceling headphones specifically for the gym, but also for studying as well. And I do have my little AirPod Pros, but they just don't work as well as I want them to. Like, they work good for phone calls and, you know, just generally listen to music and things like that, but I really wanted some good sturdy headphones that I could actually put and feel on my head. But yeah, like I said, these are the Beat Solo 4s and they just look like this. They're in this really cute white grayish color, and then they did come with like an aux cord connection and also a C cord charger. So y'all, for the last gift that I got for Christmas, my mom just got me some of these New Balance tennis shoes and they just come in this really cute black color. Can't wait to wear these. I don't know if I'm gonna wear them to like workout or, you know, with like a cute little outfit or something, but we'll see. So y'all, that was all for my what I got for Christmas haul for the year of 2025. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a very, very, very Merry Christmas, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel, which is linked in the down bar below, and make sure y'all go follow me on all my social media, which is also linked in the down bar below. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.